Here's our 2023 NPR HD 6.6 gas motor automatic transmission. We've just added a flatbed on there that is 8 feet wide and 18 feet long with 12 gauge deck plate across the top. There's a 18 by 18 48 inch box on each side, D-rings every 2 feet, 19.5 inch tires. The bed is made out of 4-inch channel, 5.4 pound, so it's about 1.5 inches wide, about 3/16 thick. That is the main rails going all the way around it, and the two runners that go to the frame are 2-inch by 3-inch rectangular steel tube, 3/16 wall, and the channel iron sits on top of that. There are cross braces every 2 feet of the 4-inch channel. The full length, or the full width, I mean. You got your headache bar up there. Now from the back, we've got 4 tail lights back here, trailer hitch, and we're running 2 foot braces. The length, they're 1/4 inch thick by 2 by 2 angle, and they run every 2 feet. So there's a square about 2 feet by 2 feet that does not have any support. So for what we're doing, that's plenty. You can see our other video for how we did the frame. We got a backup camera, we got a backup beeper. See how we use conduit to run our wiring, and then flex conduit to get to the tail light. That way all the wiring is protected as it runs down the body at the length of the truck. Makes it hold up a little while longer. And we got clamps to hold that. Gas tank is 38 gallon stainless steel, which is a nice improvement over the other one. And we just use tractor implement paint and a roller to paint the deck and all the framework. That way it should keep it from rusting for a while. Here's our box on the other side. On the inside, we added a couple little where we split it so we can put our stuff in here and keep it high and dry. We got a step on the front on each side, and the rear bumper is also a step. Plenty of D-rings on here, and painted in here also. This 2023 NPR is a real nice truck, 6-speed automatic. It's got disc brakes front and rear, cruise control, LED headlights. We opted for the Alpine radio with the backup camera on it. And I did put a little seat protector on the driver's seat because our driver tends to smoke with the windows down and burns the seat a little bit. Very nice truck. This makes our 4th one. Hopefully it'll last 4 or 5 years like the other ones do. Very nice truck. 12 gauge deck, 4-inch channel. The bed actually cost around $2,500 here in 2022. The boxes were about $450 a piece, so you've got less than $3,500 counting paint and all that, in making a 8 foot wide, 18 feet long flatbed. Any problems, any questions, give us a call. Thank you.